What's up, traders? Going 4 for 4 today. Let's get to it. Hey traders, as always, don't forget to go watch these trades live over on Twitch. Go down, find the video section. There's a little drop down menu. Find the highlights. They're all in there. Every single trade I've made since I've been on Twitch is in that highlights section. As always, going to be live Friday night live stream tonight, 9 o'clock Eastern. Be there. Don't forget to like this video. For some reason, you guys leave comments, but you don't hit the like button. Come on, man. Come on. Just hit the like button. It helps the channel, all that good stuff. I don't necessarily, promote myself too much, but, I like to see that you guys care. So anyways, jumping into the trades. First trade we had was on OCGN. This one was pretty simple. Previous high yesterday, 1063. Get a nice pop up through there, through the whole dollar, get short, and then scale out. A little frustrated I didn't try to hold this initial bit a little bit more, but it did feel like it kept trying to get back up through 11. So when it finally did, we took half of the position off just in case it did, so we could manage it. But it rejected, and we ended up scaling out the other half of that position. And yeah, 1 second here. Next trade was on Mark, M-A-R-K. This one was a pretty good one. Scroll out, you can see previous high from yesterday was 212. Had a high from the pre-market yesterday, 230. We come up through there, make a nice little pop. This was on SSR. So if you go back and watch, we had to hit this one on the ask. And when you know it, the ask ended up being exactly where we got in, $2.50. Top tick this one. Scaled out on the way down. It kind of stalled at 240. Was really looking at the move being from this 230 area. So that was about half the move. So it took half off just in case that's where it wanted to stop. And then it flushed and gave us that previous resistance there at 230. Took it off, and as you can see, it did try to bounce right there. So really good trade there on Mark. ARAY was our next one. This one was a little frustrating. Was really thinking this would actually go, but it was in a halt. Tried to push down the halt. Clearly felt like it wanted a little bit more. Really not a good trade. Probably like a C- type setup, but there was a little bit of a pop here, which is why we ended up taking it. And then we just took the flush, the first chance it gave us. So wasn't too much going on there. AMC, this one was a nice move. Not a big fan of playing double tops. It went right up into the double top if you go watch it, but then it finally spiked through, giving us a nice extension through there. Started the position really small just in case this wanted to run. I think the halt price was at like $39, and knowing AMC, this thing could easily do that. So we started pretty small, but tried to go a little bit higher. Actually, I think when we got in, it didn't. Yeah, I was gonna say it only went just a tad higher when we got in. We got in at 32. It went to 45. Right, that was the high of this candle. Yep, 45. So pretty much top ticked it. Came down to that previous resistance, and we jumped out, and it did end up going a little bit lower. Not too much further before trying to go high of day again, but ultimately it ended up failing from there. So nothing too special. Almost to our Q, which would have been $50. Our goal is obviously 100, but I try to at least get halfway to my goal every day as kind of a quota for myself. So pretty close. Can't complain considering it felt like a slow day. And we'll move on to the weekend. Again, Friday night live stream tonight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. 9 o'clock tonight. Just so you don't forget. Eastern. I'll see you there, or be square. And if I don't see you, have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday morning. Peace.